With so many types of vinyl flooring on the market, choosing the right adhesive for your installation is critical. For vinyl flooring, the correct adhesive is dependent on the flooring type. Roberts offers several premium choices for vinyl adhesives: 2057 VCT adhesive, 2310 resilient flooring adhesive, and 7350 universal flooring adhesive. For adhering vinyl composition tile, including VCT tile over VCT tile installations, Roberts 2057 Superior VCT adhesive is the economical choice. The 2057 is a moisture control adhesive formulated for interior installations with good residual tack and extended working time. For adhering fiberglass-backed sheet vinyl, standard-size luxury vinyl tile, and vinyl-backed carpet tile, choose Roberts 2310 Superior Resilient Flooring Adhesive. The 2310 is a high-performance formula for interior permanent or releasable installations and remains tacky when wet set. The superior formula of the Roberts 7350 Universal Flooring Adhesive makes it a must-have for a wide range of interior flooring applications, including standard and large format luxury vinyl tile and planks, all carpet tile and planks, vinyl sheet flooring, VCT, rigid core, WPC and SPC, specialty vinyl floor underlayment, and cork underlayment. The 7350 is a pressure-sensitive, moisture control adhesive for interior permanent or releasable installations with tremendous bond and shear strengths for even the most demanding installations. With solutions for every type of vinyl flooring, choose Roberts for high-performance, superior adhesives.